A high-end living room isn't just about expensive furniture. It's about layering elements thoughtfully to create depth, style, and cohesion. Welcome to the 3 layers that make any living room look high-end, where we break down the essential layers that instantly elevate your space. From furniture selection to textures, accessories, and statement pieces, we'll cover everything you need. For premium rugs, decor, and styling inspiration, visit rugdubai.com. 1. Base layer, furniture and layout. The foundation of any luxurious living room starts with the furniture and layout. Invest in quality sofas, armchairs, coffee tables, and side tables that are both functional and stylish. Choose pieces that complement each other in scale and proportion to create a balanced look. Proper layout ensures natural flow, comfort, and conversation areas. Avoid overcrowding and leave breathing space around key pieces. Use rugs to define zones, anchor seating areas, and add warmth. Neutral tones like beige, gray, or soft pastels provide a versatile base that allows you to add layers of color and texture later. Tips: consider modular furniture for flexibility, and mixed materials like leather, velvet, and wood for an elevated base layer. 2. Middle layer, textures, patterns, and accessories. The middle layer is where personality and depth come in. Incorporate a mix of textures such as velvet cushions, silk throws, woven baskets, and metallic accents. Patterns in pillows, curtains, and rugs introduce visual interest without overwhelming the space. Accessories like table lamps, vases, books, and decorative trays further enhance the layered look. The key is to curate pieces thoughtfully so the space feels inviting and styled, not cluttered. Tips: mix soft and hard textures, and combine subtle patterns with bold elements. Layering rugs of different textures or sizes adds dimension and visual intrigue. 3. Top layer, art, statement pieces, and lighting. The final layer brings luxury and sophistication. Statement art pieces, sculptures, or unique furniture items create focal points that draw the eye. Use strategic lighting, ambient, task, and accent to highlight these features, enhance textures, and set the mood. Consider layered rugs or standout area rugs to tie the entire room together. Rugs not only add warmth, but also anchor furniture arrangements, making the room feel cohesive and high-end. Tips: incorporate mirrors or metallic accents to reflect light, and add 1 or 2 bold accessories to create drama without overcrowding the space. Additional layering tips: coordinate color palettes across all 3 layers for harmony. Blend high-end and budget-friendly pieces for a balanced, curated look. Rotate accessories seasonally to keep the space fresh. Use statement rugs from rugdubai.com to enhance texture, tie together colors, and elevate the room's overall style. Mastering these 3 layers, the base, middle, and top, can transform any living room into a high-end, sophisticated space. Thoughtful furniture placement, layered textures, carefully curated accessories, and statement rugs create a space that is both elegant and inviting. Explore rugdubai.com for premium rugs and decor to complete your layered, luxury living room today and achieve a curated, high-end look.